at work on a Monday morning, and what we've done is I fetched Kelly straight from work, and we've driven to the closest national park we could find. They were still gorgeous, which is this one.
So from here we will go to the Cederberg, but on the way we'll go to a little town called Quannenberg. I think it's called Quannenberg. There isn't much there, it's just a little town, but it nicely just will break up the journey between here and the Cederberg, where we will be staying in Algeria, not the African country Algeria, the area of the Cederberg.
I just need places to eat.
And
I just want to eat things.
And also,
Preferably things I wouldn't have been eating this weekend otherwise.
I'm really on a mission to find roast to cook, because I really want roast to cook. So hopefully between here and there, either in Hopefield or Quannenberg, we will find something similar, or Victor, anything.
I'm just getting hungry now. Just left the West Coast National Park, and we're taking a couple of alternative routes to Quannenberg. Currently on Langebaanweg, headed away from Langebaan because we're going to Quannenberg. ICC 200, my Bulan. What kind of coffee is this? This is how they spell pharmacy. Coffee shop.
This is not the kind of coffee we're looking for, but we'll take it. It is okay. That loses its appeal.
We went for an unplanned hike to see the sun's rise above the dunes. That was beautiful. And then we tried obviously to get as much gravel in as we could. I think we got about 100 k's if you include driving around the West Coast National Park. There's a couple of roads on the way here as well. They were pretty great. Sad to say, there's a couple of designated gravel routes that are now tarred, and on the few gravel ones we did do, you could see that they had marked certain areas to be tarred, and then eventually, that's all that there would be. So if you've got a plan to come and experience some gravel roads, then better late than never.
We are in the Cederberg Mountain at Algeria. I've never been to the Cederberg Mountains before, so I've really been looking forward to it. And also we're in the Cape Nature Reserve, which I've always wanted to do. I've read about them, I've seen pictures, I've seen the social media ads, and I've always wanted to visit. Never got the chance. Really glad we could do it now. Really glad I could do it with this handsome man here. Where are we now?
We're still on the West Coast, but the plan's to end up in Limietberg, which is just past Paul. But that's tomorrow night.
That's tomorrow
We're still
night.
here now.
Yeah. And it's been great. And we highly recommend a weekend like this to anyone who's looking for a quick little break away from all the madness that is the city.
Fire did something.
I heard.
That's it. See you tomorrow. really found something amazing. It wasn't a rock painting exactly, but there was definitely some sort of glyph of two people, a man and a woman under a, what do you call it? Aftaki. We're quite excited, thought it was something quite special, and I explained that that's the toilet. That's the sign of the toilet. What a view. It's been a hell of a journey so far. We've done 700 k's, I think. We are finding a lot of gravel after all. This whole section from from the N7 to Algeria to where are we now? This place starts off like Sofia. And then the plan from here obviously is to go to the Tankwa Padstal on the way to Limietberg, which is our final destination for the evening. And maybe it's because of the time of the year we've gone, but there's not a lot of people where we're going. It's quite secluded. See? You see how secluded it is? What was that about? Why did you do that, though?
Back.
Why did you do that?
Back. It's quite secluded.
It's very secluded. The girlfriend's like, is it?
We are on the Toitskloof. We've just left Limietberg Nature Reserve.
Our final stop.
Our final stop of this trip.
We're going home.
We are going home. We have been able to pack like so much into one weekend. It's been fantastic. It's exactly what we needed. Left after work on the Friday, in time for work tomorrow. It's been a wonderful adventure and I would do it again anywhere. It's this guy.
You don't even need, we've got this amazing Nissan Navara. But most of the roads we've done, I mean, you could do it in something rear-wheel drive. You could do it in a sedan if you wanted to. We had we had a little bit of bad luck with the tires, but that's not necessarily a 4x4 issue. If you do have a 4x4, if you do have good ground clearance, there are a couple of options on the way that you can explore. We didn't. We pretty much did exactly what we set out to do. We hope to see you out there on your next epic adventure, and if you see us on the road, say hi. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for tuning into TV2.
Thank you for playing us on your wireless.
Thanks for watching.